Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on Nothing CMF Phone 2 Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Now click search and click install. Now you have to click open, and here click agree and continue, then click cancel, and now you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now. Here you can click sign in, or you can click not now again, and you can turn notifications, or you can click not now. Now you can select your theme, or you can click save and continue, and here you can select your toolbar placement, or you can click save and continue again. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.